Are you tired of losing track of your company's assets? Do you wish there was an easier way to manage your hardware, software, and other resources? Well, look no further. In this video, we'll be introducing you to AssetIT, the ultimate asset management for Jira users. The Asset Management Challenge. As companies grow and expand, asset management becomes increasingly challenging. It can be difficult to keep track of all the hardware, software, and other resources that your employees use on a daily basis. AssetIT is the solution to this problem. AssetIT is IT asset management for Jira that makes it easy and efficient. But how do you install AssetIT and use AssetIT? Don't worry, we will show you right now. Installing AssetIT. After logging into your Jira instance, click on the Manage Your App and select Find New Apps on left menu. This will load the Find New Apps screen where you can search for AssetIT and click on its tile. Upon doing so, the App Details screen will load, and you can click on Try It Free to begin installing the app. Once the installation is complete, you will see the Installed and Ready to Go dialog, where you can click Close. Congratulations, you're all set. Creating assets. Once AssetIT is installed and configured, you can start creating assets. To do this, go to the AssetIT page and select Assets. From there, you can create new assets by click on Create New button. Or you can also import and export asset data using popular file formats like CSV and Excel, making it easy to integrate with other tools and systems. You also use the same way to create accessories, licenses, components, consumables. In addition to IT assets management, AssetIT also supports assets booking, reservations, and loans. This can be particularly useful for organizations that have a pool of shared IT assets that need to be reserved or checked out by different teams or individuals. Reporting and analytics. AssetIT also includes a range of reporting and analytics features that allow you to track your assets' usage, depreciation, and other metrics. You can also custom the data to meet your requirements. You're halfway through learning about AssetIT. Take a break and now we will moving on to the final part, AssetIT and all of its setting features. Custom fields. First, let's go to the Settings menu on the left sidebar and choose Custom Field. Custom fields allow you to track additional information about your assets that the default asset attributes don't cover. A field set is a group of custom fields assigned at the asset model level. For example, you want to track your phone assets. You could create custom fields IMEI, SIM, OS, etc., which are not covered by default. Here you can see a list of all the custom fields and field sets. You can create new ones, search, export, and edit or delete existing ones. Asset models. Asset models contain the most general information, which an asset requires like manufacturer, category, model no, end of line, etc. When you create a new asset, you'll select whichever asset model makes sense. That asset will inherit all the attributes from the selected asset model. You can see a list of all the asset models. You can create new ones, search, export, and edit or delete existing ones. You can also do the same way with departments, categories, locations, suppliers, manufacturers. Status labels. Status labels are used to describe the state of an asset. You can add as many status labels as you'd like. Each status label will have one of 4 characteristics that describe the state of assets with that status label. Undeployable. These assets cannot be assigned to anyone. Deployable. These assets can be assigned to people. Archived. These assets cannot be assigned to people and will only show up in the archived view. Pending. These assets cannot yet be assigned to anyone. Manage status label. You can go to status labels. See a list of all the custom fields. You can create new ones, search, export, and edit or delete existing ones. Asset tags. An asset tag is the unique identifier of an asset. Asset tags will be used to generate barcodes or QR codes so that you can scan it to check the location and information of that asset. Permissions. Permissions are the settings that admins use to manage access levels of other members. AssetIT supports 3 access schemes by default. You can also add more custom schemes. After configuring all the settings, you can make custom reports to visualize your data. AssetIT reports allow you to build your own reports of your assets and other resources with conditions and custom field selection. Custom reports can be saved and run in the Reports page. That's it for our overview of the settings features in AssetIT. We hope this guide has been helpful in getting you started with AssetIT and its asset management capabilities in Jira. Thank you for watching.